महामहिम राष्ट्रपति जी प्रवासी भारतीय दिवस उत्सवर उद्यापन अवसर में आपणकर आगमन आम समस्त गौरवान्वित करिछि। आपणकर उपस्थिति ए कार्यक्रम मर्यादा को वृद्धि करिछि। आपण आम राष्ट्र उज्जवल प्रदीप। आपण आम विश्वास आउ आकांक्षार अक्षय भंडार। आपणकर सक्रिय एवं गौरवमय उपस्थिति आम पाई अंतरंग आश्वस्ति और सुखदायक। आपणकर महिमामंडित उपस्थिति पाई मु आपणक निकटरे कृतज्ञता प्रकाश करुछि। महामहिम राष्ट्रपति जी हमारे उड़ीसा की बेटी है। उनके शांत सरल स्वभाव ज्ञान के गहराई और दार्शनिक सोच से वह सारा देश के लोगों को अनुप्रेरित किए हैं। उनके वजह से आज देश की माताओं और बहनों को जीवन में आगे बढ़ने की अपार ऊर्जा मिली है। आपकी आने से हृदय की आसमान में रोशनी ही रोशनी है। आप हमारे शान मान और जान हैं। I am delighted that this 3-day celebration of friendship and solidarity with our Indian sisters and brothers living in faraway lands has been a splendid and spectacular experience. Dear friends from diaspora, thank you for being here. With your presence, Odisha looks happier today than ever before. Your potential presence have lighted the lamps of love and faith like never before. You all are our assets with a priceless vigor and vitality. Your mirage presence is our sincere pleasure from the core of our hearts. It has been a historic event for Bhubaneswar in all its manifestations. There is light, colors, music, dance, flowers everywhere in the city. Now the city is in a festive mode. We have also organized splendid events in other places of our state. Sea Beach Festival at Puri, Bar Festival at Chilika, and are also holding serene events at Buddhist heritage sites at Laditgiri, Ratnagiri, and at Dhaudi. Everything we do these days, we do it for you. Many of you might have visited some of our natural and heritage sites. We are glad that you have released traditional Odia cuisine. For some of you, it might have been a first-time experience in Odisha. My only request to you is please keep coming. Odisha is ready to welcome you. Please request at least 5 of your foreigner friends at the foreign land to pay a visit to India as well as to Odisha to explore the envious art, culture, architectural wonder, spiritual serenity and intimate hospitality. They will rejuvenate themselves with the hymns of peace and halos of hearty feelings here. Come and feel the vibrations of endless love and brotherhood. Feel the magnetism and melody in simplicity marked with sober vibes.